Most people get AI art apps wrong. They think they are just gimmicks, but Wombo Dream is surprisingly powerful for creating digital artwork in minutes. If you've ever wanted to turn your ideas into stunning visuals, here's my full experience. Wombo Dream is an AI-powered app that transforms simple text prompts into unique digital artwork. The surprising truth is how fast and intuitive it is. I typed futuristic city at sunset, and within seconds, Wombo Dream generated multiple high-quality images with striking colors and intricate details. Most people assume AI art requires complicated software, but this app is completely user-friendly. Customization is straightforward. You can choose from various art styles like realistic, fantasy, or abstract, and the AI adapts accordingly. For example, I tried the same prompt in a fantasy style, and the result looked completely different, more dreamlike, with glowing elements and surreal architecture. The app also offers high-resolution downloads, which is great for prints or digital projects. I tested it for creating social media graphics, and the results were professional looking without needing any advanced editing skills. The subscription unlocks additional styles and unlimited creations, but even the free version provides enough functionality for casual users. In conclusion, Wombo Dream is an easy-to-use AI art app that delivers impressive results quickly. Whether you're a hobbyist or content creator, it can bring your ideas to life in ways you might not expect. Subscribe for more honest AI app reviews and creative tools so you can make the most of new technology.